Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, today I am here with a video about a website called Persnickety Prints, and this is not a print-on-demand business, but this is a place that I have gotten journals from before. I wanted to make sure I am telling you guys a little bit about some of the sites I use as well. If this is an option for you to carry maybe a higher end product, or you just want to get a journal created for yourself, this is a website you can use. We're going to go over to Persnickety Prints, and this is their website. They have prints, they have cards, they have wedding things. I'm just going to go scroll down the website so you can look at the design of the website and some of the things that they offer. Really nice website. I've been using this for some years now. I've known about this website for a while. If you have gotten my spiral journal course, you've seen this website before. I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm not going to show you guys how to sign up. It's just like signing up to a website when you want to go in and get products. As you can see right here, here are some of my uploads that I have uploaded in here. But I'm going to go to the big old P so we can go from the beginning so you guys can see where you go to create your journal. We're going to go over to gifts, and it's going to be a drop down menu that comes out, and we're going to go over to journals and hit custom journal. Once you get to the custom journal, you'll see this picture. It tells you that they have line pages, dots, and blank pages, and it's very affordable. They also have a section where they have ready-made journals that you can purchase here. As you can see, the price goes down for the more journals you buy. 10 plus journals you can purchase for $12.99 each. Only thing you can customize is the cover. It talks about the binding, which is gold 3-1 pitch 9/16 twin loop wire binding. There are a few videos here about Persnickety Prints, and then a little bit more information here about the website. So now we're going to go ahead over here and we're going to hit customize journal. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to ship this to home. I believe they're in like Utah, Oregon, or someplace. So if you're in those states, yes, you can go ahead and pick it up from the store. But as for me, I have to ship it home. I'm going to choose the shipping for the 2 days. Not in a rush to get this journal. Here is where you can choose your paper. You can choose line, dots, or blank. I'm going to go with the line journal. It's just an overview of what they have. Now we're going to go ahead and hit get started. Like I told you guys, I already have some things in here. Like I told you guys, I already have some images in here, but I want to show you some of the things that they do have. Starting with the background, you can go in and choose a background. They have some things in here, romantic, vacation. They even have plain colors. If you wanted to go in and find, a plain color there, you can do that as well. So you have the purple. I'm going to go to clip art because they do have like a lot of things. Back to school, baby. They have affirmations here that you can put on the journal. Lots of different affirmations here. This is a cute little, some hearts. I don't know if I would do it like that, but just showing you guys. Click on it, off click it. You don't want that, you can delete it. Again, a lot of different things here. So we're gonna hit back. Let's see what it says about Christmas. You want to throw a gingerbread man on the cover, you can do that. They have just different themes of different things here. You want text, you can add text here. Maybe I just want to write hello. You can make it bigger here. You can make it bold. You can move it. Those are just different things that they have. They also have borders. And then, of course, you can add your own photo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. And I'm going to show you guys my custom journal. I think when I did it, I did a size, I think I did 6x9. I'm just going to add my strategy journal cover here. And I'm going to spread that out. Like I said, I think I did this size as 6 by 9. Don't worry, that purple won't be in the background. It does say that the quality is low, but I'm going to show you guys an unboxing of the journal, and there was nothing low about the quality at all. So just so you know, but I'm trying to think. It didn't give me like dimensions. I don't believe it gave me like perfect dimensions. So you can preview it here, and this is what the journal will look like. And then you can add it to cart. It says it'll be blurry. It was not blurry. It will not be blurry in my opinion. But if you find a different size that fits better for you, maybe do an 8 by 10. Definitely go ahead and do that. So the journal is $15. You can go ahead and proceed to checkout. It'll be $15 plus whatever shipping and handling or taxes or whatever they have. I will tell you guys the total price of the journal, and I will show you an unboxing of this journal from Persnickety Prints. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.